Honey badger's repaired and ready to go again. Here's the old broken acrylic platform for the camera. Vibration dampening, supposedly. And like I say, the bottom plate that bolts to the frame broke on me. I've had several honey badgers, so I just happen to have the bamboo version of the same thing laying around. That came off of the flame wheel, and you can see it's got the 1/4 inch of Dubro foam on top of the top platform, which was helped further dampen vibrations on the flame wheel. We'll see if it still works here. The APM on top is still not. It's just sitting up there on the wires. Actually, I've got to score that plastic with the Dremel tool and use some epoxy. Two props. Replace the two props. Replace the camera platform just because I happen to have one done. Be ready to go flying again. Maybe even better. Who knows?